Hello and welcome back to the channel. I'm Gina, a legal administrative assistant with the Clark-Esposito law firm PC in New York City. And today I'm going to be talking to you about how to spot fake designer handbags. I'm going to take you through a few different scenarios that you could be faced with where you could possibly be purchasing a counterfeit handbag. And at the end of each scenario, I'm going to give you a few helpful tips so that you can know if you're looking at the real thing. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot a fake designer bag. Scenario 1, the purse party. Now you're probably familiar with the Tupperware business model, where independent sellers are invited to parties hosted by homeowners. More nefarious individuals use this direct selling business model to sell counterfeit goods directly to consumers. These goods can be any luxury item like handbags, wallets, which are really popular, but they can also be watches, jewelry, perfume. The sky's the limit, really. And when fake handbags are being sold at these parties, they're usually referred to as a purse party, and they're very popular. Here, counterfeiters will encourage you to purchase fake Chanel, Gucci, Prada, Louboutin, the sky's the limit, at a very deep discount. Now, it might seem very enticing for you to attend one of these purse parties and score a $30 Coach bag, and it might be more enticing to possibly obtain free counterfeit goods from a smuggler or counterfeiter if you host a purse party of your own. Here's your first set of tips to identify counterfeit handbags. First, you should look at the quality of the leather. Does it smell like leather or does it give off a chemical smell? Is the bag able to stand up on its own when you set it on a counter? Pick up the bag and make sure it has some weight to it. You'll also want to examine the logo on the bag. Does it match the designer's logo exactly? Is the logo centered on any tags or other components of the bag? If not, it's probably fake. Check to see if the zipper has the designer's logo. Now, while you're at it, examine the zipper. Like the bag itself, the zipper should have some weight to it if it is genuine. Does the zipper zip smoothly or does it easily get caught? You shouldn't have to wrestle with a good quality zipper. And if you are, the bag is probably a counterfeit. Scenario 2, Canal Street, New York City. Canal Street in New York City's Chinatown is a well-known location to purchase counterfeit bags. It's highly unlikely that you'll run across a genuine designer bag here, and this is not a place you want to find yourself if you're interested in genuine designer goods. These bags are very low quality and can be spotted almost immediately as counterfeit. You'll want to examine the stitching on the bag that you're considering purchasing. Is the stitching uniform and smooth, or is it crooked and full of snags? If so, it's likely a counterfeit. Be sure to check if any serial numbers are present on the bag. Genuine designer handbags will be clearly marked with their serial number. Scenario 3, online. Spotting counterfeit goods of any kind can be difficult to begin with. Not being able to examine the bag in person can complicate things for you even further. And you can get yourself into a world of trouble if you're caught importing counterfeit goods into the United States by US Customs and Border Protection. You'll want to compare the photos in the listing online with photos on the designer's official website. The bags shouldn't have plastic on their handles or on their zippers. If they do, they're probably counterfeit. And finally, you'll want to look at the easiest way to tell whether a bag is genuinely a designer bag or not: the price. If a bag seems way too good to be true, then it probably is. Want to learn more about spotting fake designer handbags online? Subscribe so that you won't miss our upcoming video on what to do if your counterfeit goods were seized by US Customs. Are you currently caught up in a US Customs investigation? Have you received a seizure notice from US Customs, a genuine designer, or both? If you answered yes to either of these questions, don't panic. We're here to help you. Give our office a call today and we can help guide you through this. We can be reached by phone at 917-546-6997 or by email at contact@clarkespositolaw.com. Subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when we upload a new video. Check out our playlist if you want to see more of our videos, and comment below and introduce yourself. We'll see you soon.